In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play local multiplayer in Escapists 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Escapists 2 offers a fun local co-op experience. You and your friend will be able to team up to escape out of prison. The only requirement is that you have a second controller compatible with your platform. So, PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch. You just have to make sure that you have an additional controller for any of these platforms. Now, for the steps, first, choose a prison. The first prison is going to be for single player only, so pick any of the other prisons available from the game. Next, choose a prison and then select New Game. Now, when you go over to local play, you will be able to choose it and look for the option that specifies local or split screen, which might vary depending on the platform. You need to change that option related to local play from online or single player to local or split screen. Once this is done and you confirm the local play option, you will be able to hit Start Game. Now, you should go ahead and connect the additional controller to your platform. This can be done usually wirelessly, but you can also use a cable and connect it through a wired connection. The only requirement is that the controller is properly detected and connected to your platform. With the additional controller connected, all that you have to do is press the designated button, which usually is going to be A or X, and they will join the game. The game will prompt them to choose their character and customize their appearance, and once they do this, you will be playing split screen on the Escapists 2. Both players are going to share the same screen, so you need to work together and communicate effectively, and you can choose between private and public local co-op. Private means only the second controller can join, while public allows anyone with a controller to join your session if you are on compatible platforms. You can adjust the difficulty settings and other parameters before starting the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play local multiplayer on the Escapists 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.